Okay, what we're going to do is we've got this Leopard Pro that we bought, and for some reason it's kind of a bother to have the on and off switch up on the top. I know they think that's convenient, but the problem is you have to turn the turret by hand to get to the switch sometimes, and I don't like stripping the gears or pushing through the gears to turn it on. So what Josh has done on his Abrams, which is right here, which is absolutely gorgeous, see the flags and stuff on it, he has moved the switch back from the on top back to the bottom where we can just turn it on the side to turn on the battery. So we'll see if that's a good idea. So what we're going to do is take the top off now and just go from there. There we go. Wow, quite a bundle going up to the turret, isn't it?
See, that's the turret I was talking about, sir, where this piece right here is your stopper.
Oh, okay.
So by filing out 3 teeth or so, 4 teeth maybe, you can eliminate that and get a 360. But then you have to make sure you tie your bundles up, because without a slip ring.
Yeah, I don't think I'll do that on this one. I might just order in everything to do. When we do the King Tiger, we'll take it apart and see how they did that too. So
yeah. Okay, well, now,
oh, look at the speaker in that one. That's a little bit bigger speaker. Is that the same one you got in yours?
Yep.
No wonder they sound a little bit better. All right, guys, feast your eyes on this. Less than 20 minutes later, we got everything out of the Leopard, and those are the 390s in there. Those are the red 390, hanging on 390s. And this is the ones that they replaced with. Those, I don't know what gauge they are, but look the difference in the size of those bad boys. They're full half-inch longer, 3/4 of an inch longer, a lot bigger.
It's a big motor.
Big motors on there. And then this had already the steel gears in it and everything. This one's got metal tracks, metal wheels, and everything on it. So we're going to see how those 390s turn the metal tracks on that. Now Josh has the 390s in his Abrams, and he's got the plastic tracks and the plastic drive gears and all that. So we're just going to see if there's a little difference in that. I expect his will run a little faster on straight ground, but that's okay. But anyway, those are what the 390's in. Josh expertly installed those, and I'm really excited to go try it out. Just for the heck of it, guys, we decided to go ahead and relocate the switch from on top to on bottom. Now, I know some of you purists are going to think that's dumb, but I just don't like pushing through my plastic gears and that motor up there to have to turn off my turret, because I have to put it over on about a 15 or 20 degree angle to get to the switch. Now, if this was located like on the Tiger and stuff, which is in front of the turret, that's great, but I just didn't turn it on its side so I don't have to keep pushing it through the gears. I don't think that does the gears on the turret any good to do that. So now we're relocating it on the bottom. It's going to go right there. All right, we got the switch in there. Now we're putting the smoker in there, so we're getting pretty close to closing it up with the switch relocated and the 390s in there. Okay, here we got the 390s, and over where we're driving picks up a lot of stuff. Definitely has a lot of speed. Let me take it into the off-road there for a minute, Josh. I think it's got to be about 50% faster, don't you? We just got to fine tune it a little bit. I think we need to put some Loctites on the... There's Bubba right here. Hi, Bubba.
Pretty good out here. If you get in that rock, you don't like it.
You want to drive your tank? Yeah. Okay, oh, I just got shot. Yeah, I shot myself, huh? But anyway, the Verticas, the 390s are awesome. They will take a little bit of adjusting. But they are going fast. And I think on these big heavy tanks, you gotta have it that way.